In this course, you will build two sample applications, one for the iPhone and one for the iPad. We start with the iPhone app, My World. We create a simple iPhone utility app that lets you focus on how any app works in iOS, and then you can go off and design your complex app. It's about using the Hello World sample app's background image of the Earth and making something happen with words. The My World app, here in the simulator, is supposed to display falling words, text flowing down the main view over the Earth background, starting with the words Peace on Earth. The animation runs at a specified time interval and at a speed the user can change. You'll also enable an iAd banner from Apple's iAd network to appear in the main view. My World will also let the user enter the text in the flip side view, as well as change the speed. There, the user can substitute different words for Peace on Earth and change the speed of the animation with this slider. We'll also learn how to put these speed settings and text changing settings in the Settings app right here that Apple provides. And as we launch the My World app again, we'll see that we also add a gesture to the iPhone app. If you swipe to the left, it displays an image view with a photo from the Photos app library on the iPhone. And we can swipe back to the text view. We then take a similar concept. We can shut this down. We return to Xcode. We stop execution. And we reset the simulator. And you will learn how to do all of this in the course. And then quit the simulator. We'll now run the iPad app. And for that, we switch to an iPad simulator here in this menu and press Run. So we've taken a similar concept with the iPad app and even some of the same code to build an app for the iPad that also displays falling words, text flowing down the main view over a nature photo background. We also provide the ability for the user to change these words and adjust the speed of this animation. And we add more gestures for doing that, for speeding up by dragging to the right, and to slow down by dragging to the left. At the end of this course, you have a choice in how you use Xcode to develop and distribute your apps, either as separate iPhone-specific and iPad-specific apps, or as a single app that works on both the iPad and iPhone, which is called a universal app. So if we quit this, and you'll see, back in Xcode, we have created a universal version of both apps. And so with our two sample apps, My World and MyPad World, at the end of this course we combine them into this universal app. You therefore learn how to create both a device-specific iPhone app or iPad app and a universal app that runs on both. In order to switch from one to the other, we click Stop here in Xcode. We go back to the simulator and choose iOS Simulator Reset Contents and Settings and click the Reset button. We quit this simulator to set it up for the next time. And then we go back to Xcode, choose iPhone in the Scheme menu, and press Run again. And so with Peace on Earth, join me in learning how to build these two sample apps.